Ben, how would I know the history of a home? For example, if there was mold that had already been remediated?
Yeah, I don't believe there's a sure way of knowing the full history within a home. If you're a buyer and you're looking to purchase a home, a seller should disclose a lot of events that could have happened in the home. If the home flooded, if there was previous plumbing leaks or roof leaks, any major repairs, that should be reported in those sellers' disclosures. Alternatively to that, if you just moved into a home or you're a renter, I'd be looking for signs of previous repairs, current water damage or stained areas. But yeah, there's no sure way of knowing the full history within a home. So if you are buying a home, purchasing a home, it's best to ask whatever questions you can to the seller and gather whatever information you can so you know you're making a good purchase. If you do have suspicions of previous mold damage within a home, it's always best to hire professional mold inspection sciences to come in and perform our investigation to determine if there was any historical problems. Also, if you are a renter, if you're leasing a space, we can also perform inspections for you as well to understand any previous or active issues within the home.
1-888-335-MOLD.